Today we're going to talk about crochet cactuses, cacti.
Amphibie crochet.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about cacti, cactuses. Well, the prickly things, you know what I mean. I'm just going to flip through some of these very cute cactus patterns, and they come in all sorts of styles. Very sleek, minimalist style with little flowers. Very cute. Here you can see how cute they are. And another one. And some more. I like the little details on this one. And some more. And here a different kind, a flowering cactus. I love the ridges on this. Beautiful. I think, yeah, you can see how big it is with the little hand that's holding it. Quite beautiful. And this one is exquisitely beautiful. Look at this flower. I know crochet or cactuses flowers are often quite beautiful. Let's take a look at the how gorgeous is that? Beautiful. And a very simple, simplistic one, but very effective and very nice in your decor. I love the pebbles, the idea of putting pebbles in the pot. And another one, it looks like he's waving to us, isn't it? Hello! And this is more of a succulent. I'm not sure what this one is doing in my list, but it's very cute nonetheless. And a prickly pear, very nice. And the kawaii style with the little, oh, so cute, little flower clip. It's almost like they have ears, isn't it? Very cute. And some more photos of that one. And here's a little cactus compilation. You can put them together in their own little pot. Beautiful. And a close-up of this and of that one. And a very happy cactus with the little cheeky glossy cheeks. Very cute. I also like the striped vase or pot that it's in. Very nice. And all the three together. How cute are they? Oh, they're so cute. Still very cute. And another one. Well, this one used a sort of color run yarn to make it. It's a very nice effect. And some more ones. Look at them. They're very cute. 3-in-1. You get all the 3-in-1 crochet patterns. And they actually put it in a real pot. It's a nice idea. I like the little color touch in the flower on top. Very cute. The links to the patterns, if you're interested in one, are in the description below. And I wish you a very happy crocheting!